Kain-kain kami dito. Nag-picnic advance Mother's Day. May souvenir. Souvenir namin sa work. Mag-barbecue picnic. Minsan lang, once a year.
Enjoy. Hi, Terry. I'll speak to you soon. I'm going in soon.
Last day kasama namin.
Everyone, happy Mother's Day.
Punta na sa amin.